Okay, just a bit of a snapshot on what's to come. There's a few, these are all Dinkies, British sports cars. Four, these are Elvises, these four. Sunbeam Torbits, those ones. And a Fraser Nash. The Lincoln Zephyr, the American car, what a cool machine. Well, but that's not all. So, in Dad's stash, I found this, and it looks like he was in the process of scratch building boat tail speedster of some kind out of a Solido model, and I think he had here a parts car, I think, unless he had plans to do something with this. I'm not sure what's in here. There's a lot of parts in here. I'm not sure what it is. Be a Packard or something. I'd have to have a look. Wow. Jeez, it's all just made that with filler, forming the boat tail rear end. That's the rear bumper and luggage. Oh yeah, the original roof that he's cut off. And a few wheels. Let's just see what it is. Oh, it is a Packard. And all of the miscellaneous odds and ends. So, well, that is going to be something. I'll have to do some research and see what the end result was supposed to look like, and also do a bit of a catalogue of the parts, but I'm sure between the two models there should be enough to finish this off. Wow, I think that's the right term, boat tail speedster. Even the work on the guards there. So that's fascinating. A fair bit of work already has gone into it. So I'm just waiting on parts. The British cars need some headlights and steering wheels. That is so cool. A Lincoln Zephyr, Dinky Toys Lincoln Zephyr. I'd like to knock that over. Not sure what colour. I don't think that's the original colour either, that one. It did come out in this colour, but I think this has been repainted. So while I'm waiting for the parts for the British cars, I might do the Lincoln Zephyr. Geez, it'd look good gloss black, wouldn't it? And this, that's a project for very soon, I reckon.